Shifting off to the east, looking at the tropics, we have very powerful Hurricane Beryl, winds of 150 miles an hour. Now, if there is any good news, it is already past the Windward Islands and still moving away from the islands very quickly. Forward motion is 21 miles an hour. The expectation with this storm is that it will begin to encounter increasing wind shear. That is why it is expected to not maintain that strength throughout the Caribbean. Now, it'll still be a powerful storm as it nears Jamaica and the Caymans, though the center, the worst of the storm, should stay down south of the islands. At least that has been the trend. We've seen kind of a trend a little bit more south, but still feeling the impacts of the storm. Now, more good news. It will move across the Yucatan, possibly as a weakening Category 1. By the time it reaches the Bay of Campeche or southwestern Gulf, it will be a tropical storm. Models do kind of draw that moisture northward, but I think as far north as this could get would be more South Texas. That upper high will keep this away from us. Mentioning that wind shear, by the time it reaches Jamaica and the islands, it will continue to see increasing wind shear basically throughout its duration, with that wind shear remaining very strong across the Gulf of Mexico. So not really worried about Beryl at all, and less of a concern about Invest 96. This had been kind of a wild card with models taking it all over the place. So kind of that uncertainty, but the models have also now decreased the chance of it really trying to organize. It is nothing at the moment, and in fact, what's going on, notice the lack of clouds north of 96. This is all that Saharan dust. It looks like that Saharan dust is going to play a huge role in the future of this system not really organizing. What it appears we're going to see is just kind of a tropical wave, some rainfall moving toward the Caribbean and eventually dissipating. So not concerned with Beryl, not concerned with 96, and elsewhere in the tropics, we look quiet for now. 96.